This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to Arsin Street. Together, we will discover the meaning behind the name of this street. First, Arsin Street is located between Jean Lecanuet Street and Fossés Louis 8th Street, a few steps from the Saint-Ouen abbey. Then, concerning the meaning of the word Arsin, it can refer to arson wood, that is to say standing wood which has been damaged or destroyed by fire, but it can also refer to customary law, and in this case, it is an execution of justice which, in the Middle Ages, consisted of burning the condemned man's house. So, does the name of this street refer to an intentional or unintentional fire? Hard to say. If you are on this street and particularly on the Jean Lecanuet Street side, take the opportunity to admire some beautiful examples of half-timbered houses.